Hi folks, I thought I'd make a short follow-up video about my Delta Gaming PC because I've had some questions about how I power server fans. I'll explain how I solved the problem of power delivery and also how I have the fans configured with push button switches. I hope you enjoy and learn something from the video. Okay, so this is the relay board. This is all hidden out of sight on the side of the case that nobody can see. The board itself is pretty standard, 8 channels, opto-isolated, and each relay can handle 10 amps. Now, when I was thinking about this, one of my main challenges was designing power delivery because I'm intending to power hundreds of watts of fans, and I needed a connection that would give me that with a little bit of overhead as well, and this is what I opted for. This is an 8-pin ATX connector. This is what you plug into your motherboard beside the CPU socket. I deliberately bought a power supply that has 2 of those. So I have one supplying power to the CPU and the other one supplying power to all the fans. And this is how it's distributed here. Now, before I power this on and show what each channel does, I want to briefly demonstrate the fans at the front of the case, because these are a bit special. These are counter-rotating fans, which means the intake side rotates anti-clockwise, as usual, and there is another impeller at the back which rotates clockwise. And the way that these are configured is that there are actually 2 motors. It's not gearing and 1 motor, it's 2 motors, so the impellers can be run independently. I have the front impellers in tandem, so they can be switched on and off, and the impellers round the back won't come on until they're powered on as well. So let's have a look at how this thing works. Okay, so PC's on, but at the moment I've got all the fans switched off, just so that I can demonstrate this. First channel is my CPU fan, get that one turned on. Second channel is for the GPU fans. They're at very, very low power, but you can see they are turning. And in daily use, these are the only fans that I have powered. I don't need any other fans powered at all. If I want, I can turn on the front fans here, just the front ones. So like I said before, these are counter-rotating fans. Fronts are spinning, you can hardly hear that at all. And at the rear, there is no movement at all. If I want, I can power the rear as well, like so. Put these on. That will increase the airflow considerably. Moving on to the exhaust fans, you might recognise that from my last video. Each of these is 11,000 RPM and draws about 4 amps under full load. So I have them each assigned to their own channel on the relay board. Stick them on. That's the first one. Second one. Third one. And last but not least is this fan at the rear, which is the same as the CPU fan. And that's it. To finish, here's a quick demo of all of the fans being powered on, one at a time, at maximum speed.